Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC Build. In this video, I will be building pumpkin ice cream. This one will be another flavor of an ice cream and it can be enjoyed around Halloween time. I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see when I post my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's Lego Club. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.